Chemical engineering is a multidisciplinary branch of engineering that applies principles from chemistry, physics, mathematics, biology, and economics to efficiently use, produce, design, transport, and transform energy and materials. It plays a vital role in the development and manufacturing of products we use in daily life, such as fuels, medicines, plastics, food, and clean water. At its core, chemical engineering involves designing processes that convert raw materials into valuable products in a safe, sustainable, and cost-effective manner. Chemical engineers develop large-scale manufacturing systems and optimize them for maximum efficiency. Their work typically begins at the molecular level, understanding how chemical reactions occur, then scales up to systems that can handle thousands of liters of materials in industrial plants. One of the key responsibilities of a chemical engineer is process engineering. This involves designing and managing chemical processes that turn raw inputs into final products. For instance, in the petroleum industry, chemical engineers design refineries that convert crude oil into gasoline and diesel. In the food industry, they work on processes that ensure safe food production with consistent quality and nutrition. Another important aspect is reaction engineering, where chemical engineers study how chemical reactions take place and how to control them in reactors. This includes considering factors like temperature, pressure, catalyst type, and reaction time to optimize yields and reduce waste. Thermodynamics and fluid mechanics also play major roles, helping engineers understand how energy is transferred and how fluids flow through systems. Sustainability and environmental protection are increasingly significant in chemical engineering. Engineers now work to minimize the environmental impact of industrial processes by reducing emissions, developing cleaner technologies, and designing systems that recycle waste. Green engineering and renewable energy sources like biofuels and hydrogen fuel cells are modern focuses of the field. Chemical engineers are employed in a wide range of industries beyond chemicals and petrochemicals. These include pharmaceuticals, materials, biotechnology, environmental engineering, food and beverages, and even electronics. For example, in the pharmaceutical industry, chemical engineers help design processes to mass-produce medications under stringent quality standards. The role of chemical engineers also extends into research and development, R&D, where they explore new materials or processes, such as nanomaterials, advanced polymers, and carbon capture technologies. They also work in safety and hazard analysis, ensuring that plants operate safely and comply with environmental and safety regulations. In summary, chemical engineering is a dynamic and impactful field that blends science and engineering to solve real-world problems. Whether it's developing cleaner fuels, creating life-saving drugs, or ensuring safe drinking water, chemical engineers are essential to improving quality of life and advancing technology for a sustainable future. Thank you for watching this video. For more video updates, subscribe to our channel.